Welcome to Make Food Thy Medicine. This is Dr. Bijal Dave. The summer is here and the days are very hot. Especially today it was 92 degrees. So today I'm thinking of making a raw green mango cooler, which is traditionally made in India, especially on hot, sweltering, sunny days. The reason we are using green mango for this recipe is because green mango internally has cooling qualities. It holds on to sodium chloride and so it prevents water loss, especially during hot days, when we are dehydrated. Green raw mango is the best thing you can eat, okay? And today what I'm doing is I'm making a mango cooler. So let's go ahead and see what we'll need for this recipe, all right? So for this recipe, we are going to use 2 large unripe raw green mangoes, okay? And we are going to use roughly 1 cup of jaggery. Now jaggery is basically the unrefined form of sugar. It's traditionally used in India, and basically it has a lot more magnesium, a lot more potassium and iron. So this actually is a much healthier alternative than using sugar. Now you have to use this because the mangoes are very sour, and this along with the raw and the tartness of the mango makes a very nice cooler. Now in addition to this, I'm going to use half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons or about a tablespoon. You have to check of Himalayan salt, sea salt basically. And I have 1 tablespoon of freshly roasted cumin powder here. So I just dry roasted it for a minute, and then once it starts emitting an aroma, I just grounded it in in the blender. So that's about it. And this is freshly ground cardamom powder. And I will need 2 cups of water because we are going to cook these mangoes in the instant pot or a pressure cooker. Okay. So guys, the mangoes have been cooking. Now I'm going to open, and you see how soft they have become now. Now I'm going to take this out, remove the skin and mash the pulp, okay? So guys, you see how the skin has almost peeled off. So guys, we have removed the skin from the mango, as you can see here, and this is the pulp. The seeds are also inside. Now my hands are clean, so I'm going to just take the pulp off, like squeeze the pulp off the seeds. So I have taken half the amount of mango pulp in here, and I'm going to add this jaggery to it. I'm going to add half the amount, and I'm going to reserve the other half for the rest of the pulp. To that, I'm going to add half of the ginger powder, half of the cumin powder, half of cardamom, and a little salt. I'll adjust the salt later once the concentrate has been made. So this goes into the Ninja and we blend away. So you see what a nice thick pureed consistency this concentrate is. Now we will make the drink from this. So we are going to serve the raw mango cooler. This is our concentrate ready. Now I have taken 3 cubes of ice in each glass. I am going to add the concentrate on top of the ice. You should put a decent amount. I would add almost 3 tablespoons each. Now this is a great drink to have after you come back from work on those really hot days. So I usually make this concentrate beforehand, store it in the fridge, and as soon as I come back home from work, I add some water. Now we'll fill it up with water. This is cold chilled water, okay? And now I'm just going to mix it. So actually the green mango itself is very cooling. On top of that, we are adding ice and chilled water to it. So this actually tastes delicious when it's ready to drink. And I'm going to give this a stir as well. Now my daughter's going to be coming home from school real quick, and this is a great drink for kids too, you know. So you can adjust the sweetness based on your palate. So you can add more jaggery. For 2 big mangoes, I have added 1 whole cup of jaggery, but you can definitely add more if you like so. I'm going to give this a taste, guys. Aha! Now that's what you call a refreshing, cooling drink. Lovely. So guys, I think this is a great recipe. It's very tasty, very refreshing, and the best of everything, you know, you get the benefits of raw mango. They are very high in vitamin C, very high in vitamin A, and they have a lot of antioxidants. So please make this for your family instead of drinking sodas or any other soft drinks. This is great. This is a cooler straight from the nature. All right, I'll see you in my next episode. Until then, like, make food thy medicine. Bye bye.